Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the KHAITAN Avante Dara heavyweight dry iron. You can see what this particular dry iron looks like. There you go. This has a massive metallic component to it. This is a 750 watt dry iron and is also ISI certified. The model number is KA107 and it also comes with 2 years of guarantee. Okay, this particular dry iron weighs 2.1 kilos. It has unique temperature control with label, silk braided swivel cord, indicator light, and chrome plated high efficiency heavyweight base sole plate. Okay, it also comes with high temperature grade PBT insulator, 360-degree swivel cord with cotton braided thread, adjustable temperature control, and bimetallic thermostat with thermal fuse technology. That's more or less all the information here. Let's just open this and show you what's inside. There you go. These are the components of the box. We have some documents right over here. This is an extension warranty card from KHAITAN Avante. Next up, we have the warranty instruction manual from KHAITAN Avante. This is for the Dara KA107. There's a lot of instructions like how to use, important safeguards, and also warranty registration card. This is a very important document. You should keep it safe. Now let's take a look at the dry iron weight in question. This is a 2.1 kilo heavy dry iron. Seems like 2.1 kilo with a very heavy base, and the base is massive as well. This is a chrome plated high efficiency heavyweight base sole plate. It also comes with red handle on top. This is basically the red variant of this particular model. These are your heat presets for different fabrics, and all the fabrics are mentioned on this chart over here. This also comes with this solid base right over here. And yeah, by the way, this is a heavy, not a heavy appliance, but a pretty heavy product. So you have to be careful while using it, especially when it's hot. You also have an LED indicator right over here. Finally, you have this 360-degree swivel cord with this silk braided power cable and a 3-pin plug on one end. And that's it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the KHAITAN Avante Dara heavyweight dry iron. The model number is KA107. Thank you for watching.